What follows is a brief presentation of a new program being introduced for any credit union that provides employee benefits for their staff. The program was inspired to address the problem of dramatically escalating benefit plan costs and the impact this is having on bottom-line financial results, especially in this difficult, low, and negative interest rate environment. The program we are introducing not only acknowledges the cost predicament credit union benefit plan sponsors are finding themselves in, but is designed to provide an effective, long-term solution to this challenge. In fact, credit unions who have already inquired about our program have already been presented with aggregate benefit plan cost reductions that range between 20 and 35%. Further, we are not talking about a short-term premium reduction, only to be followed by a massive renewal the following year. We are locking in savings for some benefit lines that can stretch out up to 40 months. That takes us out to the year 2018 before some of these rates are scheduled for renewal. Meaningful change has come, and there is now an association of group benefit plans designed specifically for and in the best interests of credit unions. This is unlike anything proposed to you before, and in only a few minutes, this video will show you how you can obtain true value from being part of this new arrangement. Value, not just in terms of purchasing power, but value in terms of ideas, redefining the entire concept of credit union associations. Flexibility, giving each credit union from the smallest to the largest full control of their plan. Choice, expanding the suite of benefits on a fully optional basis. Support, dealing with advisors with decades of credit union experience. And community, rebuilding the cooperative movement and building upon our roots. This program has been built from the ground up and has totally reinvented the concept of a cooperative benefit plan. We are talking about something that is new, something never done before, something designed specifically with credit unions and their unique challenges in mind. A plan that identifies credit union similarities while acknowledging their uniqueness. Our plan will fit your group whether your current benefit plan is straightforward and simple or full of complexities. Whether you have a small handful of employees at one branch or a staff of 1,000 across multiple municipalities. We introduce the Credit Union Mulit-Plan. We are talking about an umbrella program with multiple permanent insurance partners, a program in which a select group of vetted insurance partners compete for your business, a program that recognizes that just as one size does not fit all, one insurance company may not be the best solution for each and every credit union. The Credit Union Mulit-Plan maximizes economies of scale resulting from collective purchasing power while still permitting each credit union to determine which insurance partner is the best fit for them. The key being that thereafter, our other insurance partners continue to compete to earn the right to your business, guaranteeing the most competitive platform ever introduced. In fact, we are offering an entire suite of benefits from which each credit union can choose to participate in. Choose with complete flexibility. That is, each benefit component of the Mulit-Plan is fully optional at the credit union level. There is no mandatory participation in any particular benefit or feature. After all, you know best what the employee benefit needs are for your particular credit union. In developing this program, we wanted to avoid one of the major pitfalls that other association plans continue to fall into, that of only seeking competitive proposals for the group's business once every 5 years, and then trying to fit each unique credit union into the same mold of benefits and provider. This cycle of insurers only competing for your business once every 5 years or longer leads to a measurable lack of competition for your business and can result in your insurance company charging exorbitant premiums during the off-cycle, imagining that your business is simply churning out money. The Credit Union Mulit-Plan model changes all of that and begins by putting each individual credit union, large or small, at the top of the pyramid where they belong. Only under this credit union multi-plan model does each specific participating credit union retain full authority and control of their plan, making all decisions about their policy, benefits, and plan design. Only under the multi-plan does each credit union get an independent contract with the insurance partner of their choice and a renewal date timed to best fit with their organization. And it becomes the decision of each specific credit union as to the timing of subsequent market reviews with our other insurance partners. Supporting credit unions participating in the multi-plan are the plan consultants Tony Quinn and me, Mike Welyki. Tony and I have decades of experience working for credit unions in Ontario. We are here to provide all levels of services and support and to make sure the plan runs in accordance with our guiding principles of putting the credit unions back on top of the pyramid. The multi-insurer model is a new idea. We are talking about selecting the best fitting insurer for your credit union to underwrite your insurance plan, and then making sure that insurer keeps its pencil sharp at all times by having the remaining insurance partners always be in position to look over their shoulder. All of this under the credit union multi-plan umbrella. A number of insurers were interviewed to test their appropriateness for participating in this new program and to test their interest in providing maximum economies of scale for each credit union to take advantage of, along with offering a complete suite of benefits. The top executives of Sun Life and Manulife Financial were the first to see the value of entering into a permanent relationship with the credit unions under this umbrella program. They understand that while individual credit unions may move from time to or from our other insurance partners, there is value to an ongoing permanent association with the credit union multi-plan. We've interviewed 3 other insurers as potential candidates for the multi-plan and will soon add 2 additional partners. Coupled with the innovative multi-insurer model, the credit union multi-plan has adopted a multi-benefit program so that participating credit unions can have access to a comprehensive array of competitively priced, fully optional benefits for their valued employees. Tony Quinn and I know you have options and that there are other providers trying to earn your business. This is why we want to stress that only the credit union multi-plan has removed needless costs and barriers to efficient function, has increased ongoing competition for your business, and removed the duplication of consultants and costs, liberalized coverage options, and removed all veils of mystery and intrigue regarding benefit plans, reviving the cooperative movement from a practical, functional, and financial perspective. It all boils down to delivering on what is promised, and our claim to be the lowest cost provider of benefits to credit union groups is supported by market results. Our earliest results of the credit union multi-plan are yielding aggregate savings in the range of 20, 30, even 35%. And some of our insurance partners are guaranteeing some of their rates for up to 40 months. And that means locking in significant savings for almost 3.5 years. The credit union multi-plan is quickly asserting itself as the best solution for your benefit plan needs. Most credit unions have seen little value historically in joining a credit union association group because the programs offered were limited in flexibility and required that the credit union cede a certain level of autonomy of their plan to an outside governance group. The red tape involved with such plans is ineffective, unproductive, and unnecessary. As a result, these credit unions decided to go it alone and set up their own individual programs. And while this allows credit unions to follow their own strategy, it leaves the credit union more isolated and having to seek out their own solutions and answers. The credit union multi-plan saves credit unions money. Whether your credit union is an independent policy or currently part of another association, the structure of the multi-insurer model encourages greater competition for your business. Our plan cuts through all the red tape typical of most associations by giving each credit union their own independent contract while still enjoying economies of scale. The Mulit-Plan helps you hit your corporate objectives by providing choice, not just of insurance providers, but in terms of ancillary benefits such as retirement plans, creditor insurance, home and auto coverage, and executive benefits. And our program provides a means to reinvigorate the cooperative spirit by encouraging all credit unions to join, large or small, because there is no downside to the plan. Even if you are currently insured by one of our insurance partners, the competitive structure of the multi-insurer model will provide a greater degree of competitive scrutiny over your insurer at your next renewal. Finally, the benefits to the credit union community are important, as economies of scale are shared by all participants, and each credit union that joins the plan is lending their support to others in the plan via this mechanism. In these zero-interest rate, turbulent economic times, it's more important than ever for credit unions to bridge together under the Mulit-Plan umbrella. Tony and I are very interested in meeting with you to discuss your group benefit programs and how the credit union Mulit-Plan might just be the very best overall solution you've been looking for. Please give one of us a call or drop us an email if you're interested in simply learning more about what we are doing or would like us to complete a full review of your plan and test how it compares with the credit union Mulit-Plan. With that information, you can make a better determination of the best solution for your credit union's benefits. Thank you for watching.